Welcome to the tropical world of pineapple farming in America. Have you ever wondered how millions of pineapples make it from the field to your table? Today, we're going behind the scenes to show you the incredible process of pineapple harvesting, right here in the USA. Pineapple farming is as fascinating as the fruit itself. Though many of us associate pineapples with tropical paradises like Hawaii, this fruit has a rich history and a global impact. In the United States, pineapple cultivation is concentrated in regions with tropical climates, where the combination of warmth, sunshine, and rainfall creates the perfect environment for these unique plants. Pineapples were first brought to Hawaii in the 19th century, where they thrived and became a symbol of the island's agricultural success. Hawaii quickly became the center of the American pineapple industry, thanks to pioneers like James Dole, who built one of the largest pineapple plantations in the world. By the mid-20th century, Hawaii was producing over 80% of the world's pineapples. But things have changed over the decades. Today, while Hawaii remains synonymous with pineapples, much of the production has shifted to other tropical regions, including Florida and Puerto Rico. These areas, with their fertile soils and ideal climates, are now essential for supplying the United States with fresh pineapples year-round. So, how does a pineapple grow? It all starts with the pineapple plant itself. Pineapples belong to the Bromeliaceae family, and what many people don't know is that they grow on low bushes, not trees. Each plant grows just one pineapple at a time, meaning it takes a lot of plants and a lot of space to produce the millions of pineapples we consume every year. The journey of a pineapple from planting to harvest is a long one. From the moment a pineapple plant is put in the ground, it takes about 18 to 24 months for the fruit to mature. That's right, it can take up to 2 years for a single pineapple to be ready for picking. Pineapples grow from the crown, which is the leafy top of the fruit, and over time, they develop into the juicy golden yellow fruits we know and love. One of the most unique things about pineapple farming is that the plants can reproduce from the crown of a harvested pineapple, allowing farmers to reuse parts of the fruit to grow new plants. This technique of propagation is not only sustainable, but also ensures a continuous cycle of production, which is crucial for meeting the high demand. Pineapples thrive in regions with high humidity and temperatures between 65 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. They also need well-drained sandy soils to prevent root rot and ensure optimal growth. Farmers carefully manage irrigation, ensuring that the plants get just enough water without becoming waterlogged, as too much or too little moisture can drastically affect the fruit's quality. In America, many pineapple farms have adopted innovative farming techniques, blending traditional methods with modern technology to maximize efficiency. From using advanced irrigation systems to monitor soil moisture, to eco-friendly practices like organic fertilizers and crop rotation, today's pineapple farmers are committed to producing high-quality fruit while caring for the environment. The result of this hard work? A sweet, succulent fruit that is a tropical delight and a key player in America's agricultural story. From the vast fields of Florida to the island farms of Puerto Rico, pineapple farming is a crucial part of the agricultural industry, providing jobs and supporting local economies. The harvesting process. The harvesting of pineapples is a labor-intensive process that requires precision, timing, and physical endurance. Unlike many fruits that are machine-harvested, pineapples are still picked by hand. Workers move through the fields, carefully cutting the fruit from the plant using sharp knives or machetes. The stem of the fruit is thick, and it takes skill to slice through it cleanly, while ensuring the pineapple remains undamaged. Each pineapple is cut from its plant, along with its crown, the leafy top that helps workers grip and handle the fruit during the picking process. Timing is crucial in pineapple harvesting. Unlike some fruits that continue to ripen after they're picked, pineapples stop ripening the moment they're harvested. This means farmers must be incredibly selective, only harvesting fruit that has reached peak ripeness. They look for signs like a golden hue on the skin, a fragrant sweet smell, and firm but slightly yielding flesh. The ripeness can also vary depending on the intended market. For local sales, where the fruit can reach consumers faster, pineapples are picked at their sweetest. For international export, pineapples are often picked a bit earlier to withstand the journey and ripen slightly in transit. After the pineapples are cut, they are quickly loaded onto trucks or conveyor belts, ensuring the harvesting process is as efficient as possible. The transportation of the freshly harvested fruit is done with care to prevent any bruising or damage, which can affect both the appearance and quality of the pineapple. Depending on the size of the farm, teams of workers may collect thousands of pineapples in a single day, making the process a well-coordinated operation. From the field, the pineapples head to a sorting facility where they are prepared for the next stage: cleaning, grading, and packaging, transporting, and sorting. Once the pineapples are carefully harvested, the next challenge is getting them from the fields to the processing facility. Pineapples are delicate and prone to bruising, which can lead to spoilage. To prevent this, the fruit is carefully loaded into trucks, fitted with soft, cushioned liners that protect the pineapples during transport. Depending on the size of the farm and its proximity to the sorting facility, this stage can take anywhere from a few hours to a day. Efficient transport is critical to maintaining freshness, ensuring that the pineapples arrive in perfect condition for sorting and packaging. At the sorting facility, the pineapples are unloaded and sent through an initial cleaning process. First, they are washed to remove any dirt or debris that may have accumulated in the fields. Then, the pineapples are inspected by both machines and workers to identify any visible defects. Any fruit that is bruised, damaged, or too small is separated for processing into juice, canned products, or other pineapple-based goods. The rest of the pineapples, those intended for fresh consumption, move along to the grading process, where they are classified based on size, color, and ripeness. Grading is an important step in ensuring that consumers receive high-quality fruit. Pineapples are sorted into different grades according to their size and appearance. Larger, more uniform pineapples are typically sold in fresh produce sections at grocery stores, while smaller or less visually perfect fruit might be sent to food processors. Throughout this process, workers play a vital role in quality control. They hand-inspect pineapples as they move along conveyor belts, ensuring that only the best fruit makes it to market. The graded pineapples are then boxed, labeled, and prepared for distribution, whether they're headed to local supermarkets or being shipped internationally. Sustainable farming practices. Modern pineapple farming isn't just about producing large quantities of fruit. It's also about doing so in a way that protects the environment and supports long-term sustainability. Farmers across the U.S. are embracing sustainable agricultural practices to ensure that their farms remain productive for generations to come. One key strategy is the use of crop rotation. By rotating pineapple crops with others, like legumes or cover crops, farmers help maintain soil fertility and prevent nutrient depletion. This also reduces the risk of pest infestations and diseases, cutting down on the need for chemical pesticides. Water conservation is another critical element of sustainable farming. Pineapples require a significant amount of water, but too much can lead to root rot. To manage this, many farms have implemented advanced irrigation systems like drip irrigation, which delivers water directly to the roots with minimal waste. This not only reduces water usage, but also lowers the risk of overwatering. Farmers are also opting for organic fertilizers and composting methods to enhance soil health without harming the surrounding ecosystem. These eco-friendly techniques help reduce the farm's carbon footprint, while ensuring that the pineapples produced are both high quality and environmentally responsible. Fun facts about pineapples. Pineapples are more than just a delicious tropical fruit. They have a fascinating history and some surprising characteristics. Did you know that pineapples take up to 18 to 24 months to grow from planting to harvest? That's a long time for a single fruit, which makes pineapple farming a true labor of patience. Once a pineapple is harvested, the plant can grow another fruit, but it's a slow process. Pineapples are also unique because they grow from the center of the plant, and each plant only produces one fruit at a time. This means farmers need vast fields to produce large quantities of pineapples, and each plant requires careful attention throughout its long growing cycle. Another interesting fact about pineapples is that they don't ripen after being picked. Unlike bananas, avocados, or tomatoes, which continue to ripen off the plant, a pineapple is as ripe as it will ever be the moment it's harvested. That's why farmers have to be so careful about timing the harvest. If picked too early, the pineapple won't reach its full sweetness. And if left too long, the fruit can become overripe and start to lose its flavor. This makes the harvesting process a delicate balance between getting the perfect sweetness and ensuring the fruit makes it to consumers while still fresh. Final processing and distribution. Once the pineapples have been cleaned, sorted, and graded, they move on to the final stages of processing and distribution. The first step is packaging, where the fruit is packed into boxes that are designed to protect it during transit. Pineapples for fresh consumption are often packed in smaller crates to minimize bruising, while those destined for processing into juice, canned products, or dried goods may be transported in bulk. The packaging process is a careful balance between efficiency and protection, ensuring that the pineapples arrive at their destination in the best possible condition. Once packed, the pineapples are loaded onto refrigerated trucks or shipping containers. These cold storage units are crucial for keeping the fruit fresh during transport, especially for pineapples that will be shipped overseas. Depending on their destination, the pineapples can travel hundreds or even thousands of miles before reaching grocery stores and markets. The logistical coordination required to move these tropical fruits from farms to shelves is impressive, involving everything from local distributors to international exporters. Despite the complex supply chain, the goal is always the same: to get the fruit to consumers as quickly and freshly as possible, sometimes within just a few days of being harvested. From field to fork, the journey of a pineapple is one of hard work, precision, and nature's bounty. So, the next time you slice into one of these tropical treats, remember the hands that made it possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to learn more about how your favorite foods are grown and harvested.